Hello and welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to enable preview option in your Windows 10 PC. Example, maybe somehow or some cases we want to see any file preview without opening that file. You can do so. In this video I am going to share with you how you can enable preview option. So let's take a look how to do that. Example, I have here some document and I want to see, or I want to enable preview option. So without opening this file, whenever I click this file, it will automatically appear preview. How you can enable it? It's really easy and simple. In your keyboard, press Alt Pre and it will appear preview. So right now, whenever I click any file, it will automatically appear preview option in the right side. So whatever inside this file, it will automatically appear in the right side. So this is really a very attractive way to see any file, and you can readjust this preview skin whatever size you want to do. So if you want to disable preview option, you can do so. Again, in your keyboard, press Alt P and it's going to disappear preview option in your Windows 10 PC. Again, if you press Alt P, it's going to appear. So this is how you can enable or disable preview option in your Windows 10 PC. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.